PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal with a midsummer update. First of all, congratulations, my students, my parents, my teachers on earning the school grade of a B. We've been a C for several years, actually since 2014, so I am so excited and so proud of everyone. We're going to definitely celebrate all of our success. Parents and families, just a reminder, please make sure you have bought your school uniforms, you've checked out the supply list, and you've turned in all the required documentations. Here's a quick tutorial on our website to find all of these things.
This is our new Palm Beach Maritime Academy landing page. We are redesigning the website so that you have a more streamlined and efficient experience. So if you go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the landing page, you select your child's program, either elementary or secondary. Once you arrive on your child's program page, either elementary or secondary, we've tried to streamline the experience so things are a little bit quicker to find. We have important events on the right-hand side, and right below that we have quick links. We have the elementary calendar, handbooks, the old forms and links page with all the information that you need and forms you need to fill out. You can buy a uniform, parent resources, you can always sign up for text messages, and a staff directory, which will be coming soon. Not all the pages on the website are fully developed yet, so if you run into a problem or you just have a question, if you have any questions, please contact us. Just go ahead and go to the top of the page, click on contact, and fill out the form for your child's campus and submit it. I hope this helps clear up any questions and makes your experience a little easier. Have a great day.
Save the date. Our Meet the Teacher event is taking place on Friday, August 8th. Kindergarten and 5th grade, you are at 12:30. 1st and 4th grade, you are at 1:30. And 2nd and 3rd grade, you are at 2:30. This is a very important event. You'll get to meet your teacher for the upcoming school year, and it's also a great time to drop off all those school supplies so you're not lugging a ton of stuff on the first day of school. I hope everybody is enjoying summer, and I can't wait to welcome you back for the upcoming school year. We've done a lot of great work inside this building, and we have a lot of fun events planned, and we are going to continue to grow academically and hopefully reach for the A this school year. See you guys soon.